Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest updates.
Army Chief General M.M. Naravne, who is on a visit to Italy, has inaugurated an Indian Army War Memorial located in the famous town of Cassino, which is about 140 kilometers away from Rome. The War Memorial located in Cassino has been built to pay homage to over 5,782 Indian soldiers, mostly in the age group of 18 to 22, who made the supreme sacrifice during the Second World War for the liberation of Italy. Nearly 50,000 Indian soldiers had participated in this war. Now, Monte Cassino was the scene of one of the most fierce battles of the Italian campaign on the Gothic line of the defense of the German army. A matter of pride is that of the 20 Victoria Cross awardees during this campaign, 6 of them were Indian soldiers. In October 2007, a ceremony was held for the first time since 1945 at Cassino, where touching tributes were paid to honor the 5,782 Indian soldiers. The then Italian Army Chief had, while speaking at the ceremony, paid rich tributes to these slain Indian soldiers, and he said that it was the 4th, 8th and the 10th Indian Infantry Division that were employed in the battle for the capture of Monte Cassino and in the bitter campaign that followed for breaching of the Gothic line. The then Deputy Defence Minister had also recalled the sacrifice of the Indian soldiers that led to the defeat of fascism and the victory of freedom and democracy. He said that the Indian soldiers were still remembered for the discipline, valor and friendship. The first of the Indian soldiers to land in Italy was the 8th Infantry Division that saw action in Iraq and Iran in 1941. The second one, that is the 4th Indian Infantry Division, reached Italy from North Africa in December 1943. In 1944, it was deployed in Cassino. The 10th Indian Infantry Division landed in Italy in 1944. Besides Cassino, Italy has many cemeteries where Indian soldiers are buried, including in Florence, Cassina, Lucca, San Marino, among many others. For The Print, this is Snehesh Alex Philip. Do subscribe to our Print's YouTube channel for more such videos.